Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to make money with YouTube comments and automate the process using the Tube Comment Buddy web app. First, let's look at a few examples of the YouTube comment method. Take a look at Sniper Wolf's video. If you open one of the profiles in the comments, you'll sometimes find another YouTube channel or an external link in the profile, for example, a CPA offer link. You can use a direct link in the channel profile, or you can promote your own brand or Instagram account instead. One video posted about 20 hours ago has multiple comments promoting a crypto token name. All of those comments are promoting the same token. Another example from a news channel about 4 days old looks like a genuine comment at first, but if you open the replies, you'll see the thread is promoting ways to make money and includes an Instagram handle. The main comment and the replies are likely from bots. A different comment thread promotes a Telegram account again. That's a scam pattern. I want to be clear, scams are not allowed on my site. Use this method only for legitimate promotion or to grow your social profiles with honest content. Now let's see how to use Tube Comment Buddy to create comments and replies. First, sign into your YouTube account, but do not use your personal YouTube account. Either buy or create a new Gmail account for testing. I already have one main channel. I'll add 2 new channels for testing. Create an account on tubecommentbuddy.com and verify your email. If you don't see the verification email, check your spam folder. Once you're logged in, add your OpenAI or DeepSeek API key if you want to use AI to generate comments. I'll use DeepSeek. Go to settings and paste your key there. Next, add your YouTube accounts to Tube Comment Buddy. You'll need to add an OAuth token note that this token expires in a few minutes, so be ready to paste it quickly. After you add the account, the script will fetch all channels associated with that account and you'll see them listed. Now let's add proxies to use with the channels. Go to the proxy tab and add proxies you want to use. Create a group of the channels you plan to use for posting. Then assign the proxy to the group. All channels in that group will use the assigned proxy. Now let's create a comment task using Sniper Wolf's video as an example. First, click on Create New Comment Task. Give your task a name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, in the Group Selection section, choose the group of channels you want to use for posting comments. In the video URL field, paste the link of the video you want to target. You can also add multiple video URLs if needed. Under comment mode, you have 2 options. You can either paste the exact comment text that you want to post, or you can enable AI to automatically generate comments for you. If you are using AI, you can use placeholders such as title, author, and description. These placeholders will automatically pull information from the video and send to AI to make your comments more dynamic and natural. After that, configure your posting settings. Set the delay between each comment, define the daily limit per channel, and also set a total daily comment limit if needed. Once everything is configured, click on Create Comment Task. The task will be created and will start automatically. You can monitor progress in the Results tab. There you will see whether the comments were posted successfully. You can also export all posted comments directly from the results page. Now let's create a reply task. First, open the video and find the comment you want to reply to. Next, copy the comment URL. To do this, right-click on the timestamp of the comment and select Copy Link Address. Now go back to the app and click on Create New Task. This time, select Reply Task. Give your task a name so you can easily identify it later. Choose the group of channels you want to use for posting replies. Then paste the comment URL into the input field. In the reply content section, enter the reply text you want to post. If you are replying to multiple comment URLs, make sure to add one reply per line. After that, adjust the rate and scheduling settings based on how fast you want the replies to be posted. Once everything looks good, click on Create Reply Task. The system will immediately start posting replies. You can monitor everything from the same results page. There, you'll see whether the replies were posted successfully, and you can confirm that they are visible under the target comment. I hope you found this walkthrough and the app useful. You can test the bot on tubecommentbuddy.com without paying. If you're interested in building your own social media bots, I also offer a course that includes this comment bot and several ready-to-use scripts. You'll get access to all source code. If you have questions, ask them in the comments below. You can also contact me on Discord. Thanks for watching. See you next time.